Hello guys. Kain tayo guys. Ayan guys. Ulam natin munggo. Tapos chicharon. Chicharon guys. So crispy. Pero guys, kain tayo kasi Friday. Ayan, munggo tayo guys. Sarap. Sarap ng munggo guys. Yummy. Sarap guys, oh. Tapos only rice. Wow. Ganito guys, pag Friday, only rice. Holiday ng mga nag-opisina na ano. Yummy. Kami. Kikitip. Only rice guys, before and after, ayan, kasi masarap yung ulam guys. Before and after yan, wala nang only rice, oh. Kasi nalit ako, ayan, only rice. Na ano guys, napatog.
Diet ngayon.
Napatog ang inapoy guys, napatog ang inapoy, oh. Awanon, tika na niya balayanon. Nalo ka ba?
Diet.
Tapos kani abalayan, luto ni abalayan guys. Masarap kasi ng ulam guys, kaya yan na naubos ang kanin. Chicharon. Munggo. Sarap. Napatog ang inapoy. Yes, napatog guys, na ibos. So guys, that's for today. Thank you for watching guys.